Hello students, how are you?
I will talk about the sign convention and lens formula. The object is placed here. For both convex and concave lens. The light incident on this direction. When we measure the distance along the direction of light like this, then we take the positive sign. But when we take the distance opposite to the direction of light, then we take negative sign. From optical center to the distance of object is negative, that is u. And suppose the image is here, so the distance of optical center and image is positive, that is denoted by V. For concave lens, the object is placed here and the incident light is this direction. Along the direction of incident light, the sign is positive. But for reverse direction, the sign is negative. Suppose the image formed here for concave lens. So in that case, the distance of object and the distance of image both are negative. Both are negative. Now I will talk about the lens formula. The formula of lens is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Here V is equal to distance of image U equal to distance of object, F equal to focal length. Now, what is linear magnification? The ratio between the length of image I and the length of object O is called the linear magnification and is denoted by m. And here the length of image is perpendicular to the principal axis. Okay. And also we take m equal to v by u, the distance of image and the distance of object. According to sign convention, for real image we take v is positive and u is negative, and for virtual image v is negative and u is also negative.